you get this brush and just go and comb her with it. Okay, and then yeah, can put her in the toilet. You can also make her eat. Well, it takes off. Can you tell over there? You hear that? Yeah, and you can make her sleep. Sleep. Ika's Adventures here, and today I'll be reviewing this toy. It's called Talkative Chick House. Anyways, let's open it up. Over here, there's a little scotch tape thingy over there. I'll go get my scissors. Okay guys, I just got my scissors and let's cut this open. Okay, let's open it up. Anyways guys, I just wanted to tell you Merry Christmas. Let's just try to take this out. Oh, finally. Okay, okay, inside here we have a chick and a few accessories. I think you can put it on the chick itself, and the instructions and a few stickers. Just open this first. Oh my! And also, guys, I've always asked my mom to buy this, but she couldn't buy this anywhere. She couldn't find it here in SG. Well, because it's also a Korean toy. Okay, guys. These are the instructions. Okay, that is over there. That's his hand. He's just playing around. Anyways, I don't understand this. Yeah, let's just check out what's in here. Okay, anyways guys, and this I think these are the instructions. Yeah, I forget batteries. Okay, I don't really understand the rest, but let's just get the little chick. Oh, it's tied. It's being tied. Oh no, it's held by this over here. I'm just gonna cut it off. Okay, any more? No more. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. And it's so fluffy. I think this is where the battery goes. I'm not sure. Okay, next, okay, so inside the house there is a little sleeping place. I hope get it focused. Okay, there's this thing where you can put all the accessories. This is a little bathtub, very cute. This is a little toilet. This is where you can make the chick eat his food. So yeah, and I think in the instructions there was like a battery sign. Let's just check if there's a battery. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm not sure if it came with any batteries. I don't think so. There's also a little brush. What's in the back? We can go and brush him. Oh, cute. Okay, anyways, they just fine. I'll just go get some batteries and I'll be back. Okay guys, I've just put the batteries at the back and I just screw it back on. Okay, and now I just also pulled off the tab just now to check if it's working. And yes, it is. Okay, but first, before we play with it, let's go and get the accessories on. Okay, I'm just gonna go find the brush. Here are the accessories. Just take it off. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Very cute accessories. Okay guys, I think I finally got a name for this chick. I'm gonna call it Kiana, because like, well, you know, it's a very nice name. Aww. Because of the chip tips, that's why I just thought of the name At first I was thinking about Kiara. Now I think Kiana. because she sings a lot. Anyways, yeah. Okay, first this is a bath. You just put it there. There's a little sound. You get this brush and just go and comb her with it. Okay, and then yeah, can put her in the toilet. You can also make her eat. Well, it takes off. Can you eat that over there? You hear that? Yeah, and you can make her sleep. Sleep. Okay, she's sleeping. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really recommend this because it's very cute. And yeah, if you're not using it, just put her in the sleeping bed and she will just sleep. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video on where I will show you gel appeal. Bye!